How to integrate Zoho CRM with Gmail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to integrate your Zoho CRM account with your Gmail account, you need to go to the settings first. Here in the bottom left, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. Now on the left hand side, you can see the settings menus. Here in this channel section, you can see the email option, tap on it. Now that you are in the email space, head over to this emails tab. From here, you can configure the emails. So tap on this get started button. Now in order to integrate your Gmail account, select this Gmail option over here. Next up, select this configure button. Now you will need to choose the Google account that you have in your account. Choose the Gmail account which you want to integrate. Select continue. If you want to allow these permissions, you can do so. It will take few moments in order to connect your Zoho CRM with your Gmail account. So that's a very easy process to integrate your Zoho CRM with your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.